Okay, guys. Thought a lot of these places now, for whatever reason, all last few weeks, they've never required some kind of a face covering. Now all of a sudden there's some places that are requiring some kind of a face covering, and I didn't have anything. And so what I did is I actually found some handkerchiefs. I got these at Myers. And it's a 10-pack, and they were only $8.99, 100% cotton. So I washed the one, as you can see, it being cotton at all. It's wrinkled up, and I dried it, no big deal. But I came up with a real easy way to attach it to your face. Rather, I did not like the face masks that go around your ears. It just didn't look comfortable. I watched a lot of people, it pulls on your ears. So to have this to where these places saying just have something over your face, doesn't matter, doesn't have to have a certain kind of a face mask, I came up with this idea. So you get a handkerchief, then I got some shoestrings, real thin ones, the dress kind. The particular kind I got here were casual 40-inch, $2 for that. Now I'm not sure what this thing is called, but I had some extra one of these. You push down, and as you let up, it'll grip whatever you have. So this is what I'm going to use. I want to go around the back side of my head instead of going around the ears, and use it like a drawstring almost. Won't have to tie it. It'll just go through here. So to do this, you want to start with the string. When you have this folded like a triangle, put your string up towards the top on both sides. Then you put the shoestring into this this device here, whatever that's called, that draw thing, just like that. Now I'll tell you what, you put this on, it just goes up above the ear. You pull the until it's to the tension you want around your head, and it's perfect. Works fine. It's not tight around the nose. I wear glasses. It works really good, and it gives you the covering that they're saying. Everybody says your nose and your mouth, and you can breathe real easy because it's not tight around you. So if you're looking for something to do, easy, cheap, to meet the what these people want you to do, give this a try. Now, if you really want to get creative,